Hi, quick, sweet and short video on how to set up backups for your server. This is for our virtual servers, which your cloud and your VPS container servers, they both work more or less the same. First step is to obviously find your server. You can click on services from the top menu, click on my services, find your server in the list or simply search for it here. Once you found it, click on manage product. On the next page, you'll see in the main screen, as well as under additional tools, there's options backups and backup jobs. You'll start with backup jobs. This is where you're going to basically set up the backup. You'll see I've already got one configured here. To create a new one, you'll simply create new job. I'm going to click on edit for this one. You'll find the same settings when you click on new job. Start time, straightforward. That's the time when the backup will start. This one starts 8 o'clock at night. Day of the week. I only want this server to back up every Wednesday. You can add additional days by simply clicking on them, and you can obviously also remove them. Compression type. My particular server is only this one available, which is perfectly fine. And then backup mode. For the most part, snapshot is fine. It'll keep the server live. Other options might be required depending on your setup, suspend or stop. Once you're happy with this, you can also select email notification if you want to know when it has been completed. You can then click on confirm and you will have your backup job. And this will run automatically now once it's enabled or once it's created. To actually view your backups, this is where you will go onto this menu. Just wait for it to load. And there you will see all the backups that has since been created. On the top, it gives you a quick summary of your backup sizes and as well as the space left available for backups. You can also immediately create a backup by clicking on new backup. And then finally, if you wish to restore any particular backup, you simply select it and you click on this little button to restore. That'll immediately restore the server to this snapshot. Also, if you want to get rid of old backups, that's what the trash can is for. Click on it, it will be deleted.